How to create a new account on Mobile Legends. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can create a new account on Mobile Legends. So let's dive in. First, open your Mobile Legends app and then it's going to bring you to this page. Here you have an option of creating a character. To switch account, you simply have to click this option and then you'll be able to create a new account. And now here you have all these options. You can choose to create a Moontoon account, Game Center, Facebook account, TikTok account, or Wiki account. To create a new account, what you can do is create a new Facebook account or a Moontoon account, and then you have to just click the switch account option over here, and then it's going to bring you to this page, and here you have to just log in with that account now. And once you log in with the new account, you have successfully created a new Mobile Legend account, and that's a process that you can follow to do so. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.